Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload a video to YouTube step by step. First, make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account. Once you're signed in, go to the YouTube homepage. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a small camera icon with a plus sign on it. Click on that icon. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Video. This will take you to the YouTube Studio upload page. Now, click on the box that says Select Files. A file browser will open. Find the video file on your computer that you want to upload and double-click it. The video will begin uploading. While your video is uploading, you'll need to fill in the video details. Start with the title. Make sure the title clearly explains what your video is about. Next, write a short description of your video. You can also add links, credits, or any other information you want to share with your viewers. After that, you can upload a thumbnail. A thumbnail is the small image that people will see before they click on your video. You can choose one from the video automatically or upload your own image. Next, you'll need to choose whether the video is made for kids or not. This is required by YouTube for all videos. After that, you can also add tags and choose a playlist if you want to organize your videos. Once those steps are done, click Next. You'll see options for adding subtitles, end screens, and cards. These are optional, so you can skip them if you want. Click Next again, and now you'll choose the visibility of your video. You can make it public so everyone can see it, unlisted so only people with the link can view it, or private so only you can watch it. Finally, click Publish. Your video will now be uploaded to YouTube. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, it may take some time. That's it. Thanks for watching.